The Kent County prosecutor says the Kent County Sheriff's deputy who struck and killed 17-year-old Riley Doggett in April will not face criminal charges.
He made that announcement today, a short time after meeting with the teenager's family and showing them dash cam video. We want to warn you, we'll be showing portions of that video. Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker spoke with Riley's mother today.
Brian and Sue Riley's mom and family had asked for weeks to see this dash cam video. Today, they finally watched it with the prosecutor.
Okay, now we're going to the red light division. It's going to do a full stop. He's going to be turned in.
The dash cam video from the front of the Kent County Sheriff deputy's car shows Riley Doggett and the driver jumping from a stolen Range Rover on April 8th at 32nd and South Division Avenue after a chase. Then a quick turn and Riley falls along the patrol car's right side.
It was really hard, probably one of the most difficult things I've ever had to see, besides Riley in the hospital. But just him being hurt and hit by that police car.
Her son died on May 9th after more than a month in a coma. She believes the Kent County deputy should have been charged.
He used his vehicle and ran my son over. That day does not define Riley. Everybody makes mistakes, some bigger than others. If there were mistakes made, Riley should have been able to pay for them mistakes, not have his life taken away over a mistake.
But the prosecutor says that the evidence shows the deputy did nothing illegal.
The evidence, what it appears to, is he caught him with the tire. From his statement, he was trying to cut him off from going into the neighborhoods in the back there. Tried to pull in front of him. Looks like the tire essentially caught his left calf, pulling off his shoe and kind of a slingshot down. You saw it was a violent fall to the ground.
The death certificate shows he suffered traumatic brain injury. The prosecutor says the deputy made a split-second decision, mistakenly believing the phone in Riley's right hand could have been a gun. The chase was the second of the day for the occupants of that stolen Range Rover. They had outrun police in Holland earlier.
This is a tragic situation. I met with the family. They're not happy with this decision, quite clearly. So we had a long discussion, and I'm sure they think the deputy should be charged. But based on my analysis of the law, based on everything I've looked at, I just find no basis to charge the deputy in this circumstance.
Doggett's family attorney, who is also working with the family of Samuel Sterling, says he plans to file a civil suit against the deputy and the county. The state trooper who struck Samuel Sterling during a foot chase also in April was charged today with second-degree murder and involuntary manslaughter.
To have the Attorney General issue charges in the Sterling case, and then for Mr. Becker to say no in terms of Riley Doggett's case, it's a very tough pill for Becky and the family to swallow.
The attorney says he plans to ask the state attorney general to review the prosecutor's ruling. Also today, the prosecutor said he'd file charges of fleeing and eluding causing Doggett's death against the 17-year-old driver of that stolen Range Rover. He said he will seek to charge him as an adult.